Have you ever wondered what would happen if you mix just two common kitchen items, baking soda and lemon juice? You might be shocked to know this simple combination can help fix acid reflux, clear your skin, freshen your breath, and even reduce joint pain. Yes, it's true. Today we're revealing 7 powerful health issues this mix can help with, naturally and effectively. Stay tuned, because number 5 is something most people don't expect. Before we dive in, let's understand what makes these 2 ingredients so special. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline substance. It's been used for centuries in cooking, cleaning, and, yes, even healing. Lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural acids that help your body detox and balance its internal systems. But what happens when you combine these 2? You get a natural alkaline-forming mixture that can help neutralize acid, improve digestion, and detox your body from within. Important note, this remedy should always be used in moderation. Overuse of baking soda can affect your body's electrolyte balance, and always consult your doctor if you're taking medication or have chronic health conditions. Ready to learn how this simple mix can make a big difference in your health? Let's go. 1. Fixes acid reflux and indigestion. If you've ever felt that burning sensation in your chest after eating, you know the discomfort of acid reflux. It happens when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Now here's where baking soda and lemon come in. Baking soda is a natural antacid. When it enters your stomach, it neutralizes excess acid. Lemon juice, while acidic outside the body, becomes alkaline-forming after digestion, helping balance pH levels. Here's how to use it. Take a glass of water, around 200 milliliters. Add 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. Within minutes, you may feel relief from bloating, heartburn, or gas. Pro tip: don't overdo it. Once or twice a week is enough for most people. 2. Eliminates bad breath. Do you constantly feel self-conscious about your breath? It might not just be the garlic you ate. Bad breath or halitosis is often caused by bacteria in your mouth. Here's how lemon and baking soda can help. Lemon juice has antibacterial properties that kill odor-causing germs. Baking soda neutralizes acids and balances the pH of your mouth, reducing bacteria growth. Here's a quick rinse. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda plus juice of half a lemon in a cup of water. Use it as a mouthwash for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Spit it out, don't swallow it. Use it once a day and you may notice your breath getting fresher and more pleasant, naturally, and no chemicals involved. 3. Brightens skin and clears blemishes. Looking for a natural glow-up? You don't need expensive creams or fancy facials. Baking soda and lemon juice can be your skin's best friends. Here's why. Lemon contains vitamin C and citric acid, which help fade dark spots, acne scars, and blemishes. Baking soda acts as a gentle exfoliant, removing dead skin cells and reducing oiliness. But be cautious. This remedy is not for daily use and should be tested on a small area first. Here's how to use it safely. Mix 1 tablespoon baking soda plus 1 tablespoon lemon juice into a paste. Apply gently to your face or affected areas. Leave for only 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Apply a gentle moisturizer after use. Do this only once a week and don't use it if you have very sensitive skin. Many people notice a brighter, smoother face in just a few weeks. Number 4. Supports natural body detox. Detox isn't just a trend, it's something your body does daily. But with all the processed food, pollution, and stress, sometimes your system needs a little help. That's where this drink comes in. The alkaline effect of baking soda and the antioxidants in lemon help support liver function, kidney health, better digestion and elimination. Regular detoxing can improve your energy, reduce brain fog, and help your skin glow. Detox drink recipe. 1 glass warm water. 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. Juice of half a lemon. Drink this in the morning, 2 to 3 times a week for best results. It's a gentle way to support your body's natural cleansing system without extreme diets or powders. 5. Aids in weight management. This one surprises many people. While baking soda and lemon aren't magic fat burners, they may support your weight loss journey in simple but effective ways. Here's how. Drinking this mix before meals may suppress appetite slightly. It helps improve digestion, reducing bloating and water retention. The alkaline environment supports better metabolism and fat breakdown. But remember, this only works when combined with a healthy diet and regular activity. Drink tip. Use the detox drink we mentioned earlier. Consume it 15 to 20 minutes before a meal to curb overeating. It won't melt fat overnight, but it might just help you make better choices and feel lighter. 6. Eases urinary tract discomfort. Feeling discomfort during urination or frequent trips to the bathroom? A mild urinary tract issue might be developing. Here's how lemon and baking soda may help. Baking soda can make your urine more alkaline, which reduces the burning sensation. Lemon has natural antimicrobial effects that can help reduce bacteria growth. This is not a replacement for antibiotics, but a great first step to ease discomfort before medical treatment. Simple remedy. Mix 1/2 teaspoon baking soda with juice of 1/2 lemon in a glass of water. Drink once a day for no more than 3 days in a row. If symptoms persist, always consult a doctor. 7. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Inflamed joints, stiff knees? This combination might offer some relief. Here's why. Chronic pain is often linked to inflammation and high acidity in the body. Baking soda is alkaline, helping reduce internal acid buildup. Lemon contains antioxidants that may lower inflammation levels. Some people with arthritis report less stiffness and pain after regular use of this mixture. How to use? Drink the basic mix, water plus 1/2 teaspoon baking soda plus 1/2 lemon juice, every other day. Combine it with a low-inflammatory diet for best results. Remember, it's a natural aid, not a cure, but it could help you move with more ease. So let's recap the 7 amazing benefits of mixing baking soda and lemon. 1. Relieves acid reflux and indigestion. 2. Freshens breath. 3. Brightens skin and clears blemishes. 4. Supports detox and liver health. 5. Aids in weight management. 6. Eases urinary tract discomfort. 7. Reduces joint inflammation. This simple remedy is a powerful tool, but like all good things, it should be used wisely and moderately. Have you ever tried mixing lemon and baking soda for your health? What were your results? Let us know in the comments below. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips. And don't forget to share this with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching and stay healthy naturally.